All right, so welcome to the next video. So if you have a section that says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line through the given point with the given slope. So on our assignment, it's on the very back page, page 4, but you may see this in other areas. So again, I may sound like a broken record, but you have to understand that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. You have to understand that. And if that's something that you need to study and you need to create flashcards at home, you need to do that. It's that simple. Where you have to understand that that's the slope, and this right here is the y-intercept. So it says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line through the given point. So we know what the slope is right here. We know what m's going to be. But we don't know what the y-intercept is. In the past, if we back up a little bit, and if you remember right here, you were given both the slope and the y-intercept. But in this problem, you're not given that. But you are given something that's very, very useful. You have a set of coordinates. This is your x. That's your y. So this is what we can do. We can set this equation up. We don't know the b yet, but we do know a y. We do know at least one x. So let's write the equation. This is my y, so I'm going to write 2 equals. So what's my slope? We do know my slope. It's 7/3. What do I write in x? I write my x. But what's my x? It's going to be 3. I'm substituting this in. And then we have plus b. I don't know what my slope is yet. I have to find that. So we're going to do this right here. So what's 7/3 times 3? So if I write it up here, so if we think of this as a fraction, 3/1, how would you answer that? Well, you multiply the top. What's 7 times 3? It's 21. What's 3 times 1? 3. What's 21 divided by 3? If you said 7, you were correct. So 7/3 times 3 is 21/3, which is, I think I said 7/3, but that equals 7 plus b. So I still don't know what b is. I have to solve this for b. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minus 7 from both sides. So I'm going to solve it like an equation. What's 2 minus 7? If you said a -5, and that equals b, you are correct. So I have everything I need to know. I know my slope, and I know my b. So now it's like the problems we did just a little bit ago, where I'm going to write y equals, again, I have to understand my x is my slope, and here's my slope. So it's 7/3 x. Now plus b, this is a -5. So I have to put -5. So my b is here, and just because it says plus, and you can put plus and -5, but really what that means is -5. So here is my equation when I'm given a slope and a point. So as always, you can use this same process to solve this one, and that one. This one might be a little bit tricky because the slope is undefined. Remember, that's when it goes straight up and down. So its slope's not 0, it's undefined. So go ahead, solve these. Work the same process that we just did. And as always, if you have questions, please ask.